So here we have, I don't know if it's the Michigan State or one of the centurions here taking care of the porch, making sure nobody that's not supposed to be here doesn't get in. Welcome to another project walkthrough. So this used to be an open porch with railing on the outside, as you can kind of barely see here, and then everything else was open. The homeowner wanted it to be utilized more throughout the year, so they wanted to enclose it with a porch system, and we'll get right into what that was. So I really like how this homeowner decorated their porch. They have a TV out, a little sectional couch out here, little lounge area, and a little table to have breakfast, have coffee, read a book, something like that. Really nice place to spend your Saturday mornings or your time off looking out at the green backyard. For the solution for this homeowner was a wall system with stacking window in it. And because of the height of the header here, we had to add transoms on top as well. We could have added a knee wall or a glass knee wall and replaced the railing, but the homeowner wanted to keep the existing railing to match the railing on the outside of the stairs as well. So we ended up with vinyl film stacking windows all around in an all aluminum matched wall system with a swing door going out to a landing and then down the stairs to the patio area. So here we have, I don't know if it's the Michigan State or one of the centurions here taking care of the porch, making sure nobody that's not supposed to be here doesn't get in. So you can see this wall section here, it's pretty narrow. And because of the narrow width of it, we had to put vinyl film, but it's non-operable. It's just a fixed light in there. But it matches the height and the transom along with the other sections. So right now it's late May going into June, and it's already been getting very, very hot outside. And you can see we had the windows opened up on the bottom just to get some airflow. The fans are running. If you don't have an AC or a mini split, then you definitely want to be able to move the air from one side to another just to cool off the room. If you have a mini split, you can keep the windows down and then have the air conditioned. So you can see here we have a nice tall door that matches the height of the windows. And as we walk out into the landing, you can also see the railing that they wanted to keep to protect anybody from falling over. And the windows are actually inset between the posts on the inside of the railing. That way it's easier to operate them from the inside. So we're down on the patio right now, and you can see how high up the porch is there. Some people actually enclose their lower side of the porch as well and utilize that space. In this case, the homeowner kept it open just to have an open deck as well. So it's been over 4 years since we installed this system. It's working really well still, and continues to work and will continue to work well. The homeowners are enjoying their time and their space on the porch there. If you're looking to enclose your porch with something similar to this or a glass system, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you, get you an estimate, and do the project for you.